In this concise tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of permanently deleting your Instagram account. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth deletion process. Open the Instagram app and log into your account. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right to open the menu. Next, click on Account Center. Scroll down and click on Personal Details. Click on Account Ownership and Control. Then select Deactivated and Deletion. Choose your Instagram username. Tap on Delete Account and then click Continue. Provide a reason for deleting your Instagram account, then click Continue. Enter your Instagram password for verification. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the deletion process. Remember, once you've deleted your Instagram account, all of your account data, including photos, videos, comments, and followers, will be permanently removed. Make sure to download any content you wish to keep before proceeding with the deletion. And that's it. You successfully learned how to permanently delete your Instagram account. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out for further assistance.